In this video, we're going to go over how to add integers. So when adding integers, you can come across two types of questions. One where the signs are the same, and one where the signs are different. So in this video, we're going to go over both types. So for the first question, say your teacher were to ask -3 plus -5, and she told you to find the answer. How would you do this? Well, as you can see here, our signs for our two numbers are the same. We have a negative in front of both digits. So when the two signs are the same, as a general rule, we add. So if we're starting with -3 and then we're adding 5 negatives, that's going to give us -8 as our final answer. And we can model this using chips. So if I had 3 negative chips to begin with, and then I added to that 5 negative chips, how many negative chips would I have? Well, we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'd be left with 8 negative chips. And so that's why our final answer here is -8. Now let's try the other type of problem. Now, for the first type of problem, it's when our two signs are the same. The second type of problem is when our signs are different. So say the teacher were to ask you 7 plus -4. How would you solve this? Well, when our signs are different, we have to subtract. And now here, 7 plus -4 can simply be written as 7 minus 4. Because adding a negative is the same as subtracting a positive. And now we all know how to subtract. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. And that's our final answer. So as a general rule, when the signs are the same, we need to add, and when we have different signs, we need to subtract, and we're going to keep the bigger sign. So here we saw that we kept 7 positive, right? We didn't switch it, we switched out the smaller sign. I hope this video helped. Thank you.